Hey, this is the one and only storyteller. I'm out here at the Mustang today. This is video number 2. Something happened to video number 1, so we're gonna try this again. So, as you can tell, I got the old Mustang uncovered. I did go today and get this rim tire put on this rim. As you well know from past videos, I might have told you the rim was wrong. So we went and had this tire put on the rim, had installed. I put the rim tire on the car. Took about an hour. They were busy and they just fit me in when they could. So my main thing today is I've been out here working on the dash. As you can tell, car's in great shape. You know, no rust. As you can tell from the inside. It's gutted, folks. There's nothing on the inside. It's gutted except for the column. Here is the new column. Here's the boot. There's the braces for the instrument panel. There's a shifter. I cleaned it up the other day. There is a under dash wiring harness. Here is the black dash. There is the wood grain dash, which I will be using. There's the seats. The seats are brand new. I don't know how in the world they survived this long in being that great a shape, but I'm glad they are. The old car was set in a shop in Louisiana for 21 years before I bought it. So it was a race car once. If anybody from around Louisiana, Texas, it was sold in Texas first, and they raced it for a couple years. And the last gentleman who I bought it from, which he passed on, bought it from his daughter. They had raced it before he bought it. So what I've been doing today is I repainted the dash. I've been cleaning up all the knobs, checking the switches, ohming them out. I did paint the dash, and as you can tell, everything works well. Everything lines up good. So I gotta paint these bolts here. Other than that, we're good. I did buy this from Mr. Joe the other day when I went down to Franklin and seen him to get the rim. I gave him $5 for it. So these are about $45 on most of the Mustang stores. So I'm gonna try and wood grain it. All I have to do is wood grain this piece right here, this little piece right here. And I have to wood grain this right here, which I'm really good with an X-O knife, so I'm pretty sure I can get it done. I don't think I have no problem. While I was at Mr. Joe's, we picked up a set of horns, emergency brake unit, and cable. Got the complete cable. I do need to put these on tomorrow. I think this goes part of the radio that helps hold the radio on. I'm not for sure. I have no earthly idea. This is part of the some type of relay that goes underneath. I know where it goes, I just don't know what it's called. A bunch of spare parts, screws. So yeah, as you can tell over here, that's the dash I didn't use. This one's in worse shape than the other one. Another under the dash wiring harness. Anybody wants to need one? As a factory 4-speed Ford aluminum bell housing. There's the power steering pump with hoses. There's the oil pan for the 351 Windsor. There's a 67, 68 complete steering column if anybody needs one. Just hit me up and I'll see what I can do. But that's about it for this afternoon, folks. We're just out here pedaling around, trying to get a few things done. It's been a hot afternoon. So what we got down here in here is we have the original jack. We have 2 different alternators, depending on which one my harness works with my harness. So that's good. Here's the good cow. There's the vent ends. There's part of the AC box, heater box. Here's all the, this is, folks, an original, I do mean original Ford battery hold down. Mirrors, handles, backup lights, another alternator, steering wheel, the old wooden steering wheel in the center. Them are the window, I guess you want to call edging guards on the inside and outside of the window. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a piece that goes around the headlight. There's all the back there's all the headliner ribs. There's a piece that goes on top of the hood. There's some valve springs back there that goes on a 3TE set of heads. They were in the trunk when I bought the car, so I just left them in it. So yeah, so we're looking good, folks. We're looking good. I don't know what else to tell you about the inside. Is, like I said, it's all gutted. It's clean. Don't have any rust. Like I said, it was inside for 21 years. So what can you say? Thank God it was inside. So that's about it, folks. I'm gonna get off here for this evening. I gotta cover the car back up, cover the parts trailer back up, finish up the dash here, and call it evening. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you stayed this long. Ring the bell, subscribe, leave a comment. If you leave a negative comment, please just leave a positive comment. Last, don't leave a person in a negative situation. And I thank you, folks. We'll be seeing you.